I'm Nevin.
And I'm Phaedra.
And thanks for stopping by our channel. And let's give you a tour of my Nana's house.
Come on in. So,
we're going to
start with the entryway, excuse me.
Yes.
So, my mom recently relocated from Arizona to Washington State.
Yes.
And she went from a 3,000 square foot home to about a 1,400 square foot home. And it's taken a lot. She had to cut everything in half. But I wanted to show you all her home because she has a very eclectic, kind of an Afrocentric type of style, and I love her style. She doesn't care what anyone thinks. She's going to do what she wants to do in home decor, and I get a lot of my inspiration from her.
Yes.
So we're going to start with the entryway.
So this is a beautiful little table, and another nice table under it to do a decoration. And we have like a camel. Little.
That's where the keys go.
This is where the keys go.
It's a little container for the keys, and then just a little random Rubik's Cube.
Yeah,
she wanted to put this here,
cute
this little lamp, just to light up the entryway at night. And we thought of the Rubik's Cube, and it's totally cute. We have the mirror here.
Yes, it's
we can't show you the whole mirror because we have our photographer here filming. But yeah, I mean, this is a set of nesting tables, and so the other one you'll see in a little bit. But there's 3 levels of tables, and we decided we didn't have anything to do.
Wait, 3 levels?
Yeah,
oh,
that
no,
one.
It's 2.
No, that one over there.
Oh.
This one and this one. So we used the one in the living room. You'll see that in a little bit.
Yep.
And then we took these 2 and put them here in the entryway. And these are actually patio tables that we just used inside. I love these tables. I wish I could take them with me, but they're going to stay here. But this is our little entryway.
Yeah. So let's move on to the kitchen.
Now the kitchen.
So this is our snowy white fridge. It's really beautiful.
We don't have to do the fridge though, Bubby.
Okay.
So what happens is she moved from a really big kitchen, huge kitchen, with a huge eating area, a huge dining room, so a lot going on, to a small galley kitchen that she absolutely loves.
Yes.
The only thing about this kitchen that I can't do is, Uncle, if you can get it, the rug. There is a rug. There's a carpet, excuse me, in the kitchen. I can't deal with it. She absolutely loves it. So if she likes it, I love it. So we have a runner here.
Yes.
This just kind of breaks up the darkness of this very random rug or carpet in the kitchen.
Yep. And it is nice. So let's move on over here. Over here. So, boom, we have beautiful pear pictures. One with this pear and that pear, and then the one on top with that pear and that pear.
And it looks great.
Also, we have a pear over there. It runs.
And she has some pots up here. Nothing overdone.
Yep.
Just very simple and clean.
Yep.
She does not like, she's like me. The kitchen has to be very clean, very minimal. And that's what she has. She keeps it very clean and very minimal. And I love it. You know, besides the the carpet here.
And then we have the sink. We have some counter space with this beautiful plant. And I don't know what these are called.
I think those are hookahs. But they're not fully assembled, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. And then we have...
Oh, no, they're candle holders.
Yeah, okay, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
And those little plates here catch the wax. So I thought they were hookahs, but she said, no, they're candles.
Yeah, and then we have some counter space if we want to cook. And then our silver sink. And
I don't think you have to show the sink, though. But come on, let's keep it moving.
Oh, wait, let's move to the bar. So we have a bar right here.
We'll show that in a minute. Let's get to
the living room.
The living room.
The living room.
All right, so here's that table I was telling you about.
Yes.
This is just a side table that we're using next to the TV. What? The lamp there, Bubby.
Oh, yeah. And we have this nice pot. We have this camel lamp that I love. And there's a treasure box to turn
it matches the little camel over there, if you can see.
Lots of camels. And then we have a genie lamp, which I thought a real genie was in here, which was so silly.
When she was little.
Yeah.
She was afraid to touch that lamp. Because she thought a real genie would come out.
Yeah, because I would rub it, and I'm like, Nana's like, come on, rub it. And I'm like, no, I don't want to rub it. What if a real genie comes out?
So she was afraid a real genie would come out. But we're going to move it along. Here's the giant TV.
Giant. And then we have a DVD player and, you know, some more stuff.
Next to the TV
we have
are the cutest vintage cats.
That's my favorite part of the living room. These cute little cats.
They're so cute. My dad got those for her at a vintage thrift store years ago. I mean, we were kids. And they always have their place somewhere in her living room, no matter where she is. We've moved a lot in our life because of military and all of that. So no matter where we are, the little cats always come with us. This chair here is a mid-century chair.
It's very old.
It's probably about 60 years old. Let's move back a little bit, Bub. It was given to my brother by our aunt, and it literally had been in her house just like this for probably 50 years. So it's amazing the condition this is in. So this is an extremely special chair.
I call it the throne chair.
Yes, the throne chair. And again, it is about 60 years old.
Yes. So
maybe older, but that's when she got it.
Yes. So
now, This
is also my favorite part. Okay, I have to like this more than the cute little cats.
Okay. What is this?
This is a beautiful curio, and we have lots of beautiful stuff.
Yep. So before my mom would kind of, take her, be very strategic with how she decorated it, very minimal, very clean. But she said she doesn't care anymore. She's going to put everything that she wants to in here, and she doesn't care. And I think that's awesome. So literally everything she wanted to put in here, the chess piece, don't put your hands on it, Bubba. The clock from our grandfather, her father. I remember some of the little pieces there, copper pieces when we were kids. And she has some great teapot collections, and then a little bit of bling right there, just random high heel shoes. I love it. And then her bigger crystal and sculptures and more priceless items down there.
Yes, and my favorite part about this curio, I like all the stuff that's crystal. My favorite crystal stuff is right here, all these crystal animals. I was after those so bad. She's like, nope, you're not getting it. I like the turtle, the bird, and the pig.
When you were little, you used to love that pig when you were smaller.
Yeah, and then I love all the stuff that's crystal. And comment down below if you want. Tell us which is your favorite item in here.
Okay, super good. All right.
Yeah.
Now up top is very clean. One plant. That is it. That's all you need. Yeah. Real quick, if we can swing back over this way.
Oh yes.
This clock,
beautiful clock,
does not work now. But she still wanted to hang it up, which I think is awesome anyway. She said it'll have the correct time at least twice a day. So it will. It'll be correct at least twice a day, but it matches perfectly. She wanted it up here. I love it.
And also, one more thing, they have a nice little flower vine in those little squares with nice dots all around the clock, and I really love that.
Nice decor, nice design, huh?
Yes. And let's move on to this.
All right, we have our love seat. And just standard love seat. And then right here is just a trunk. This trunk is very old.
Very.
And I want to say, correct me if I'm wrong, to our cameraman, Second World War, older than Second World War. So 1800s. And this has a lot of DVDs in it, believe it or not. We didn't have anywhere to...
games were in there.
DVDs are in there. We didn't have anywhere to put it. For now, because we still have a lot going on in the back, lots of boxes and everything. Yeah. So once everything is cleared out in the other bedrooms, then this will have a home.
Okay, let's move on to this. We have this beautiful pot table that she wanted to do. And Mommy loves pot tables too.
I do.
Yes.
This is actually my pot table. She took it from me. And I'm going to leave it at that.
So this is a nice...
This is a Mexican pot made in Mexico. And she had the idea many, many years ago to put a glass on top and use it as an end table. And I thought, yes, this is beautiful. So I did it in my homes too. So here we have her. You'll see a theme in here if you have not already, starting with our first little item, the zebra.
And this too, you can already tell that my Nana loves zebras because there's a zebra print, like cute little decoration pot and a cute little zebra here. And maybe you will see that my Nana loves yellow.
Yeah, zebras and yellow. So black, white, and yellow go great together.
Yes.
All right, so we're going to move along.
Wait.
Oops, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
We had this lamp thing. I don't know what you call it. Comment down. Yeah, a lamp. Comment down below if you know what it's called.
All right. So right here we have
zebra.
Here it is. Guess what her favorite animal is? This I absolutely love, the zebra mask.
Me too.
This is a bit of the Afrocentric style, as you can see along this way, and with the Middle Eastern type of feel to it as well, with the lamp and the camels. I love this style. And she, again, said, I like zebras. My whole house isn't going to be zebras, but I'm going to have a lot of zebras here. And this is my house, and this is what I'm going to do. And we were like, go for it. So my brother helped her get these up and put everything on the wall, and it looks amazing.
And there's one funny thing about it. So when I would sit here and do my schoolwork, I would, I would be sitting all day, so I'll stretch my arms, and then I would be touching this, and I'm like, what's that? And I'm like, oh, it's just the zebra mask. So
he was watching you while you were doing your homework.
Yeah.
So the sofa.
Yep.
Again,
Another
matching sofa, nice
yep.
and sturdy. Her style, it looks great. She threw the yellow pillows on those for accent, as you can see with the flowers and with the chair and with the pillows. She has a little theme going on.
Okay, we have two more things in the living.
Great, right here. Now here's another
pot table.
This was the first one she bought. This was 20 plus years ago. And my pot table is probably that old as well. I got it many, many years ago when I had my home built. So these are durable. Again, this one comes from Mexico, and keeping it simple, another this one has palm trees, but it's still kind of like a Middle Eastern type of feel to it.
Yeah, and we have a zebra pot once again, and we have a palm tree lamp, which I love. This is
with
so
a little
cute.
side flower there,
yes.
and a random little leaf decor.
I would want to call it a little leaf table, but I'm like, it's not a table. It's just a nice decorative leaf, and you could put, anything on it that you need to rest it on.
It's actually a vintage ashtray. Who would have thought? But it's beautiful. And since no ashtrays are needed here, it'll go as decor.
So wait, we have one more thing in the living room. We have this beautiful brown wooden table. And also, when I want to play in the living room, sometimes I play on this, which I love. It's
all her toys are spread out on the table, and she's having a time.
Yeah, and these are where the remotes go.
This is the remote box. Do you have to show the remotes?
And this is the nice remote box. Yeah. And then one more thing, this beautiful zebra ribbon. And
it's nice.
Yeah,
it's and so this nice. Is another thing that she said she was determined to have in the house. And I mean, look at it. It just works. When you have an eclectic home, it works.
Yes.
All right. Now, moving on to the last area for now.
The dining room.
The dining room. All right. Now, remember, she had a huge dining room, huge kitchen with a huge eating area, living room and family room and office and bathroom and a huge pantry and laundry room downstairs to 1,400 square feet. So she's done a great job with figuring out what to do, what to keep, and what to do with these items. So here we start with this dining room set that she got when she was in Florida.
Yes, and I love these chairs too because they have like beautiful flowers. And if you didn't notice, there's a leaf running across the top, which I think is super creative and super decorative.
Yeah, and when I had my house built, I did all of my accessory shopping at Z Gallery, most of it in Pier 1, and I picked up this for my mom from Z Gallery. And I wanted to take it back because I liked it better than the one I got for myself. And years later, this was again 20 years later, she still has it, and she puts again her pop of yellow right inside this vase.
Yes, I love it. And now you can see that my Nana loves yellow because she had yellow pillows, a yellow chair, yellow little leaf tray, some more yellow flowers. And if you think these are stuck together in the pot, they are not. They're beautiful though. They don't smell.
All right, now here is what I love. Now
Yes,
this was a
this is
conflict
good.
of interest for me.
So let's start with this.
Yes, this I hate. This is my nemesis, and plus moving this in, God bless those young men who moved this. This thing is so heavy, and it's just packed full of stuff. Her Christmas ornaments, where she collects Christmas ornaments, ever since we were little, not necessarily the guys, were our nephew, my son and nephews, but it's packed with that and some collectibles. And there was nowhere to put this. And so she said, just put it in the dining room. And I just kind of was like, no, I just don't like it. But then we were going to put pictures on the wall. And I had the idea, my mom had the idea, let's use the pots.
Yes,
and she wanted to arrange them specifically. And then I decided, let's do it in size, order of size.
So
And
there's
this
small,
is where it happened.
medium, big. Dun, 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 dun. Very beautiful.
So it
And
works,
also-
and it even allows this to shine in a special way. It has a home, and it's going to stay there, and it looks good. And
Yeah.
I can't deny that.
Yes, and also, I just love these pots. And those pots, they're just so beautiful. And also, this pot has a lid and a handle to carry it. This pot has a lid where you can open it, and that's all I wanted to say.
All right. So this is a tour of my mom's house. She downsized, like I said, from
Yes.
3,000 square feet to 1,400 square feet. We love moving, but you know, she's kind of tired of moving now, and she's settling here, which is awesome.
But one more thing. We almost forgot this mirror.
Well, we can't really show the mirror too much because you don't want to show all the reflections, but we do have a great mirror there.
Yes, it's nice and
And your
golden.
bar stools.
Yes, oh look, we forgot to show these when we were doing in the kitchen. So we have beautiful silver bar stools, and this cushion right here is black, and it looks like black licorice. It's like the color of black licorice. And then we have this beautiful bar where we like to eat. My favorite seat.
This is the only place she's eaten since we've gotten here. So yeah, so this is the tour. So
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe the video. And comment down below if you love this video. And just, well, see you in the next one.
thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.